Hi, my name is Connor, and this is my 1969 Ford F100. And in this video, I want to take you through the steps it took to get to this point. So let's get started with the video. This is my 1969 Ford F100. I'm super excited to share with you guys the process of how we got to this point. So it all started about 5 years ago in October of 2017. My grandparents bought me this truck for my first vehicle. We did not plan to go this far at all. We were only gonna fix the rust, like the rusty cab corners and stuff. I don't even think we were gonna put this paint job on it that we have on it now. But I'm glad we did. So some of the stuff we've done with it in the past 5 years is we ended up pulling the cab, bed, and completely undercoat the frame. So hopefully no rust. So after we got the frame done, undercoat, all that stuff, we decided to put the cab and bed back on it. So what we painted is the hood, cab, and fenders and doors. That's all we painted. I know you're supposed to paint the whole truck at the same time, but I decided I got a little bit impatient and I wanted to see some color on this truck because it's been sitting for about 5 years. Our next step is the bed and get that to where the body is perfect and we start putting color on that. Once we get color on the bed, I think that would be a good place to start doing the fine tuning of the truck, like electrical, brakes, all that stuff. So I want to get the body work done and then we're going to focus on some more of the small components on the truck. So I did get a little bit impatient and get this inside of this cab done. We have the new dash, seat, carpet, all that stuff in there. We have a parts truck that we got that radio out of. It doesn't work, but it's good. It looks cool. As you also see, there's no steering column. We're in the middle of repairing that, which is somewhere. I gotta find it, but yeah. So that's basically everything that we're gonna be doing to this truck. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video where we show off what we're gonna be doing next to it. Stay tuned. So this video, oh my god. And this, Connor, and oh my. So this is my 1969 Ford F100, and in this video, I want to show you, oh my god. I'm super excited to I'm super dense on the bed that why is it dark?